Is ChatGPT lagging or responding really slowly? Here's how to fix slow ChatGPT responses step by step in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. When a chat gets very long, ChatGPT has to process the entire conversation every time. This can cause lag, freezing, and slow responses. If a chat has weeks or months of messages, that's usually the main cause of lag. Type something like, "This chat is getting slow. Can you summarize everything so I can start a new chat?" Once ChatGPT gives you a summary, copy it. Open a new chat and paste the summary. This keeps context without the lag. Slow internet can also cause delays. Switch to Wi-Fi if possible, or move closer to your router. Close and reopen the ChatGPT app, or refresh the browser to clear temporary issues. Instead of one giant chat, use separate chats for different topics or projects. Lag is usually not a bug. It's caused by long chat history, network speed, or heavy processing. Shorter chats, faster answers. This is the single biggest improvement. And that's it. That's how to fix ChatGPT lagging and slow responses step by step. Subscribe for more ChatGPT tips.